Stop. Before you send money. Before you release crypto. Before you trust that verified trader. You need to watch this video to the end. Because most people don't lose money in crypto P2P because they are stupid. They lose money because they don't know how scams actually work. And the worst part, most scams don't look like scams. They look normal. They look safe. They look like a regular trade. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how P2P scams work, the most common tricks scammers use, and how to protect yourself step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll know when to walk away from a trade, when to pause and double check, and when to never, ever release crypto. If you plan to use Binance P2P, Bybit P2P, OKX P2P, or any P2P platform, this video could literally save you money. Let's start. Why P2P is dangerous for beginners. P2P trading is powerful. It allows you to buy crypto directly from people, sell crypto using local payment methods, avoid banks and restrictions. But here's the truth. No one tells beginners. P2P is not dangerous because of crypto. It's dangerous because of human behavior. Scammers don't hack the platform. They hack people. They use urgency, confusion, fear, trust, and beginners are their favorite targets. If you're new, you are not slow. You're just unfamiliar. And scammers take advantage of unfamiliarity. So let's break down the biggest P2P scams, starting with the most common one. Scam number 1, the fake payment confirmation. This is the number 1 P2P scam worldwide. Here's how it works. You list crypto for sale. A buyer places an order. Everything looks normal. Then suddenly, they send you a message saying, "Payment sent. Please release." They might attach a screenshot, a bank SMS, a mobile money notification, a fake email, and it looks real. Here's the hook you need to remember. Screenshots do not equal money. Scammers rely on one thing, that you will trust what you see instead of what you verify. The golden rule of P2P is simple. Backhand index pointing right, never release crypto until the money reflects in your account. Not pending, not processing, not it will arrive in 5 minutes. If it is not fully available, you do not release. If anyone rushes you, that's a red flag. Scam number 2, the please check again trick. Here's a subtle one. The buyer sends money, but it hasn't reflected yet. They say, "Please check again." It's already sent. Maybe your bank is slow. Here's what beginners do wrong. They think, maybe I'm just not seeing it. So they refresh. They wait. They feel pressure. This is psychological manipulation. Scammers want you emotionally involved before logic kicks in. Let me be clear. If the money is not in your balance, the trade is not complete. P2P platforms will always side with account balance, transaction history, bank confirmation from your side, not screenshots. Patience protects you. Urgency exposes you. Scam number 3, chargeback and reversal scams. This one is dangerous because it happens after you think the trade is done. Here's how it works. The buyer sends money using a reversible payment method, a stolen account, or a third-party account. You see the money. You release crypto. You relax. Then hours or days later, collision, the money disappears. The bank reverses it. The wallet gets frozen. You lose both. The crypto. The money. Here's the key rule. Backhand index pointing right, only accept payments from accounts that match the buyer's name. If the name is different, cancel the trade. If they say, "It's my brother's account," "It's my business account," "It's my friend," cancel. No explanation needed. Your safety matters more than politeness. Scam number 4, the take it off the platform scam. If someone ever says this, "Let's complete outside P2P. I'll send you directly. Cancel the order. I'll pay faster." That is 100% a scam. The moment you leave the platform, You lose protection. You lose dispute support. You lose evidence. P2P escrow exists for a reason. Anyone trying to bypass it is trying to bypass accountability. Rule to remember. Backhand index pointing right, no escrow equals no trade. Even if they promise better rates. Even if they sound friendly. Even if they seem experienced. Protection beats profit. Scam number 5. Rush and intimidation tactics. Scammers hate calm traders. So they rush you. They say things like, "Release now. I've reported you. Time is running out. You'll get banned." Here's the truth. P2P platforms do not punish you for being careful. They punish releasing without payment, breaking rules, trading outside escrow. Fear is the scammer's weapon. Calm is your defense. If someone threatens you, stop responding and contact support. Scam number 6. Fake verified and high-rating traders. This one shocks beginners. Not all verified traders are safe. Some scammers, by old accounts, build ratings slowly, hack trusted profiles. So what do you check? White heavy checkmark completion rate. White heavy checkmark recent reviews. White heavy checkmark trade history consistency. White heavy checkmark how they communicate. Red flags include poor grammar plus urgency, copy-paste messages, refusal to follow platform rules, trust patterns, not badges. Scam number 7. Wrong amount sent by mistake. Another classic trick. The buyer sends less than agreed, or claims they sent more. Then they say, "Please release, I'll fix it." Never do this. Always stick to exact amount, exact order details. If the amount is wrong, backhand index pointing right, cancel the trade. Simple. No emotions. How to stay 100% safe on P2P. Let's simplify everything. If you remember nothing else, remember these rules. Never release crypto without confirmed funds. Never accept third-party payments. Never trade outside escrow. Never rush. Always verify names. Trust platform rules over messages. P2P is not about speed. It's about precision. Slow traders survive. Fast traders get scammed. What to do if you suspect a scam? If something feels off, stop chatting. Take screenshots. Do not release crypto. Open a dispute immediately. Support teams can help you, but only before you release. Once crypto is released, recovery is almost impossible. Here's the hard truth. Scammers are not going away. They adapt. They evolve. But knowledge beats scams. The goal is not to be fearless. The goal is to be informed. If this video saves you from even one bad trade, it has done its job. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who's new to crypto. It could save them money. And if you want, safe P2P strategies, beginner-friendly crypto guides, and realistic ways to grow without getting scammed. Subscribe and watch the next video. Because in crypto, what you don't know can cost you. Stay safe.